You ain't in it.
You know all the stuff in the bag you gotta walk out. You're gonna put that plus all the stuff inside your bag you get paid for. You actually thought I was dumb enough to know that you didn't walk, you didn't come in with your bag of stuff. See this here?
Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. And it's good for me. How long have you been in here?
I guess you can't make clean do
That's what he said.
That's crazy. Out the dollar store Alpha 5101. Alpha 5101. I have one in custody for Southwest. He took one for warranty. Local police. Address is 3932 Minnesota Avenue. have no choice. I had it.
American male.
Really had it.
5'7". Blue jeans, white tennis shoes on the left foot. Shoe for broken foot on the right foot. Blue t-shirt and a black and green knee pad. Copy.
You want me to hit the button? Don't hit it yet.
I'm bad when you're bad with food. Really strong with men. You're really strong with men.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hit it. Hit the button.